Look around you: a soccer ball, a tin of milk, a tent, an ice cream cone. These are all solid figures. But what type is each one? A solid figure is a three-dimensional shape. It has length, width, and height. Unlike flat shapes, you can hold it in your hand. First type, prisms. A prism has two identical flat faces called bases. The bases are parallel. The sides are rectangles connecting them. Second type, pyramids. A pyramid has one base. All other faces are triangles that meet at one point called the apex or vertex. Example 1. This matchbox is a rectangular prism. It has two rectangular bases at top and bottom. The four sides are also rectangles. A cylinder is like a prism with circular bases. Top and bottom are circles. The side is a curved surface, not flat rectangles. Example 2. This cone has one circular base. The surface curves upward to meet at a single point, the apex, like a pyramid with circular base. A sphere is perfectly round like a football. It has no flat faces, no edges, and no corners. Every point on surface is same distance from center. Common mistake: students call a cylinder a prism. Although similar, we use the specific name cylinder. Same with cone versus pyramid. Memory aid. Two bases, prism. One base plus point. Pyramid. Circular versions get special names: cylinder and cone. Sphere is the ball. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more mathematics lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to keep learning.